So transaction processing system means transactions are processed through certain computer systems. And what is, for example, the simplest one is point of sale software, right? Anytime we go to any retail store and when we purchase goods and go to the till to pay the cashier, this is a transaction processing system because here a transaction is processed, transaction of purchase and sale. For them it is sale, for us it is purchase, right? So this is what it is. So why we do that, what we do that, we, there is a data entered about a transaction and it gets processed. For example, like we pay through credit card or debit card, or so processing is also done, right? So the main reason is that if we do it through computers, it leads to cost reduction because computerized transaction processing systems are obviously faster and less expensive than manual transaction. If there are tens of thousands of transactions, manuals would definitely be expensive.